So now I will go through some walkthroughs of some OpenGL problems. So firstly, let's do the inequalities, which we were doing it, and this will be inequalities more simple one first. So this is the simple inequality, and what it is doing is it is going from -5 to 5 with a step of 0.01, and if a is less than x square and x is greater than 0 and a is greater than 0, which means this part, then it will color it. So this is pretty much simple, and this is the logic. I will not go through this logic because these all are intuitive, and kind of if you complete the previous videos, if you have seen the previous videos, then this video will be easy and this logic will be easy. So let's try another one. More one. This is pretty much the same with just a little change. So if x is greater than 0 and a is greater than x cross x, then this one. Now similarly, if we do like this, a is less than x cross x, let's see what it does. So this is that, and you can play around with it and experiment your code. So now we will see the diagram of a circle. I will post this code in GitHub and you will see the link in the description, so don't worry. So this is the circle. So what it is doing is we are going from 0 to 6.28 with a step of 0.01, and we are finding the x and y, and we are just giving it x and y, printing it x and y. So what it is doing is a sine function is like this. Now if we take the amplitude, it will be like this, means it will gradually increase, and we have studied this in physics in class 12, so it is pretty much intuitive. This is kind of intuitive thing. OGL 12. So you can see this code and check this. This is another one of Lissajous figure. This was some pretty much rough experiment I was playing while making the video. So this is the code. We are defining some constant and we are doing this. So let's see another one. So this is another one which pretty much draws many things like circle, then other stuffs like that, tan h, cos h, and we have done this symmetrically. So this is pretty much one example. We will post this in GitHub, so don't worry about that. You can check this. It's for every functions we have done it, and OGL 13. So this is a ellipse. This is also like that circle, but with a's value is slightly greater for the constant. So this is showing an ellipse. Now let's try this OGL 14. So this is drawing what it is drawing is something like a butterfly shape. So this is beautiful kind of thing. It is using that numpy arrange, and it is going with this. I was just experimenting and I found this kind of stuffs. This is pretty much good. And then we will see the famous Miller madness. So this is just rendering shit. Wait a second. So this is the rendering version of Miller madness. We have just used stop functions on time function to do this, and it's a cool visualization, kind of looking like 3D. It's same functions, and it is kind of this functions which gradually generates this Miller madness thing. So this is the code for the Miller madness. You can try it and experiment it and change those values and see what it is doing. So this is the end result of the Miller madness thing. Now what we will do is we will see another one. This is another one. It is just plotting and rendering things. So this is the code for that. Please feel free to see it and check. This is just a walkthrough. We will be discussing about more complex code in the next few tutorials. Test. So this is some kind of ellipse. So you can experiment with it and you can discover more of your functions like that. It's fun. So this is generating another kind of function. It will crossover. See, this is more like artillery or something like biological stem cells or something. So it will gradually look like some cell or something. Is gradually using those functions, and we will see in the next few videos about some fractals generation and etc. Those will be much more interesting. And so this is the test. I was just playing around and I found this, so this came on accidentally. So we will now see an asteroid curve. This is an asteroid curve. It is simple. We are taking a t with range this, and we are just multiplying sine t and a constant with certain value. And we can also draw cardioid, means the heart, G of 15. So this is the heart. Now we can tweak those values and suppose like this. So please feel free to tweak this and see what it is doing. So this is general heart when the visualization is like this. If a ball is rolling on another ball and we are taking a point in the circumference, then while it is rolling it will plot this heart. So we will see another ellipsoid. So this is a ellipsoid, kind of rangoli, a design which Hindus do in fest or something like that. So this is like a flower kind of thing. So please see these codes and ellipse D. Okay. So this is another litigious figure with ellipse D, and this is the code. This is just changing those values, modification, slight modification to get new kind of stuffs like this. And this is rotate ellipse. So I was trying this, and this is that reverse arterial thing, and this is a experiment which I found. I will be posting this, so please feel free to look at this and stay tuned for more of the fun examples. So thanks for watching.